I made this 4 nozzle printer, 3D printer for making 3D printing objects cheaper by cutting the time it requires and the overall price of the printer per uh, each nozzle. And one thing important is the operating time. When I had to come here and pick up any of these, it was little 2.5 hour take to print. The time I had to came here and pick it up and put and click again to start it. But I made this panel by printing this panel and those long rails. So when the all the prints are done, this Z carrier came up, get away from, get out of the way, and this bed came and hit this plate, and all the model on it turn over and fall somewhere here. I had to put something in here, so the object will cut off from the bed when it's of course it will be a delay to make sure the bed is cold before it hit the plate. So the object will fall off the bed over here or something, a basket here, and the bed will be clear, empty, and it will restart the print again. So in a G code you can place multiple copy of the same G code in one G code to do this print again and again. So when you're going to sleep, it will continue to print until the next day. You can redo it or decide whatever you want. So you don't need to be here. You can go sleep, and after 24 hours there will be 40 of this object, about 40 of this object on a basket down there.